To handle adversities, there are several effective strategies you can employ based on the following. Develop a positive mindset, catch negative thoughts and turn them into positive ones. This shift in mindset can help you overcome challenges. Acknowledge and accept emotions. When facing emotional adversity, recognizing and accepting your emotions without judgment can be a powerful way to overcome them. Surround yourself with supportive people. Building a network of individuals who uplift you, treat you with respect, and support your well-being can help you navigate mental adversity. Practice positivity and discipline. Maintaining a positive outlook, staying disciplined, and focusing on the lessons learned from adversity can aid in overcoming challenges. Seek professional help if needed. If mental adversity is significantly impacting your well-being, do not hesitate to seek professional support to navigate through difficult experiences. Reflect on resilience. Learning from resilient individuals who have overcome adversity can provide valuable insights and inspiration for handling challenges. Prepare for multiple outcomes. In the workplace, preparing for different scenarios, building a support network, and following role models can help you effectively deal with adversities. Forgive yourself. Recognize that you won't be perfect at maintaining discipline, and don't be too hard on yourself when you slip up. Treat yourself with compassion. Take it one step at a time. Break down your goals into smaller, manageable tasks and focus on building one disciplined habit at a time. Minimize distractions. Make it harder to engage in activities that distract you from your goals by removing temptations or limiting access. Prioritize and plan. Clearly define your priorities and create a structured schedule to ensure you make time for your most important tasks. Celebrate small wins. Reward yourself for achieving your mini goals and milestones to stay motivated and build momentum. Develop a growth mindset. Reframe setbacks as opportunities for learning and improvement rather than failures. Believe to fly.